Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going on a hike, more like a sunset hike, over in Tempe, and we're gonna bring you guys along. So let's go.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there.
Alright, so this is the spot right here. This is where we usually try to come out at least a couple times a week, catch the sunset. It's got good views, and what's nice about this spot here is you kind of got like the Arizona desert in this section right here, and then to the left you got Tempe Town Lake.
You're my sailing ship, guide me when you head.
And then if you look over to this side over here, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but you got Camelback Mountain off in the distance over there, which is in Scottsdale. And if you look really close, you can see some of the houses that are on top of the mountain. Yeah, so that's why we like this spot right here. And you can also watch the airplanes fly into Sky Harbor, which is right there. So yeah, this is the spot right here.
When I get closer.
Okay guys, that was our sunset hike, one of our spots that we like to hang out at. Hope you enjoyed it. Also, we're gonna leave you a sunset